Simple Bake makes baking materials in Blender incredibly easy. It's an add-on you have to pay for, but once you do, the process is simple. I want to bake the material from this sword shader onto this duplicate as a cycles bake using HDRi lighting to avoid having to set up my own lights. The original sword is separated into different material slots, but it's all on the same UV. The end result we want is all of those generated materials baked onto one UV in one material slot. I've duplicated the object and called that slot combined and deleted the other slots. Now with that set up, let's set up the HDRi lighting. When you open up a blend file and go to shading, in the shader editor, there is a drop down tab that is on object. Change that to world. If you have Node Wrangler enabled, you can press Ctrl T on the background node and it will give you this environmental texture with these other two nodes. In the environmental texture, you can open HDRI saved on your computer. The default HDRIs that Blender offers are located in Program Files, Blender Foundation, Blender 4.2, 4.2, Data Files, Studio Lights, World. The emission strength will control the vibrancy of the environmental light. While only the environmental texture is necessary, the mapping node will allow you to most notably rotate where the environmental light is coming from. Simple Bake is located in your Rendering Properties tab. It's not necessary to mess with so many settings. In Bake Objects, add the object you want to bake. Cycles Bake tab allows you to control which channels you're baking. We're sticking with combined, but there are other options. You can also choose your sample size here. UV settings probably don't need to be touched, but be aware of the UV that you are using. In other settings, I set a batch name just to be able to identify the baked image after. You can also choose if you want to bake from CPU or GPU here. We're going to bake in the foreground to show you how fast this happens by pressing bake. The baked image shows up with the defined name. On the duplicate sword, get an image texture and select the bake you just made. You can put it into the shader node or directly into the output. It's that simple.